An institution where knowledge fuels success for years. Bicol University has been as it speak all over the region since 1969. Our university is known for their commitment to academic freedom, advanced education, and conducting research activities in various fields fostering intellectual growth. This institution stands as pillars of productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. And that is Bicol University for you. Barhay na aga Bicoleños, barhay na aldaw Bicolandia. Let's dive into a world where dreams take flight and excellence is a tradition. Whether you're here to learn, create, or lead, we invite you to be part of our continuing legacy. One amongst these programs, the field of arts letters based on appeal and integrating media, arts, and writing. Here in BA Communication, we turn our passion into profession. As a communication student, I am more than curious in how my fellow Comm will make their names in the industry. Meron kaya silang reasons why they chose the path of media or communication? Let's find out. So hello, I am with
Rachel Valentin, a second-year student of BACOMM.
Alex Noyal from BA Communication TV.
So Alex, why did you choose communication?
Bakit ako nag-comm? Siguro dahil part ako ng journalism before, specifically radio broadcasting. So siguro kaya nag-communication ako.
Well, I chose BACOMM because I followed my passion. For the first time in my life, I took the risk of choosing what I love. It's never a regret on my side because I got to do what I enjoy. Also, there are a lot of opportunities this degree program can do. So there's nothing to worry about being jobless in the future. I say we take communication as we take a passion.
Right? So for my second question, it would be, what were your experiences so far as the practitioner of communication here in BA?
My experiences so far have been an eye-opener and enriching. In a way na being a communication student, masusubok ko talaga in different fields like photography, filming, scriptwriting, broadcasting, lahat matututunan mo and masusubukan mo.
My experiences as a communication student include creating a photo exhibit that effectively conveyed stories through visual narratives, allowing viewers to connect emotionally with various cultural themes.
I really believe that communication offers us a lot, right? So for my third question and my last question, so far, what's in your mind as your end goal here?
My goal is to become an effective communicator who can convey messages to diverse audiences in impactful ways.
As a communication student, my end goal is to leverage my skills in crafting compelling narratives and connecting with diverse audiences to drive meaningful impact. I'm drawn to roles that blend creativity with strategy, such as content creation, public relations, or digital marketing. So what I love to explore further is how I can harness the power of storytelling to inspire positive change, whether that's through film, social media, or community engagement initiatives.
The goal had always been one: excellence. This is the statement communication employer. With our official student publication, with Yong, the College of Arts and Letters College Student Council, and with our very own organization, Communication Students Association, we are taking big steps towards owning potential. Not only are we from the home of matatapang, matatalino, talentado, at magaling, communication in itself is a mark in the Department of College of Arts and Letters. We are home to students who are forthright, reliable, and excellent, where we make passion into profession. So saan ka pa? Mag-comm ka na! This has been Mark Joshua Bachin, a proud communication student. Welcome to Bicol University. Cut!